was a very friendly discussion. It was really nice to meet all these amazing women today, and everybody had such wonderful ideas about sustainability, productivity.
There's no one solution fits all, but there are fundamental things that have to be considered in every single project. One of which, and most importantly, the indoor air quality, the lighting, the temperature, and the comfort within the space. So this is like the baseline, and then everything else gets built on that according to the nature of business and the kind of people the business is trying to attract. The different departments that the business has, how those departments work individually and also collaboratively. Understanding who are those people will help us to guide our clients into how their office should look like to attract those people and to return them as well.
Well, honestly speaking, from personal experience in our own office, after we decided to renovate, we added multiple collaborative spaces. So when clients come in, it's easier to educate them while they visually see the space, right? Rather than talking. In the last 1 year, a lot of clients have gone into wellness certification, LEED certification. So it is definitely our duty to explain to them what works best for their culture.
Of course, collaboration, it's bring like a team culture, and it will help you. But sometimes you really need to focus on your own. It's a personal task, and having maybe your personal space or a pod or a closed office where you can go focus without having anyone disturbing you throughout the day. It is something essential for us. My biggest learning was about the air, how it improved actually our productivity. I always thought about the air and all our issues throughout our personal experience, but never something that I thought I would really consider implementing in our project itself.
Most of the offices have closed windows, so you cannot even change the air in the office. So yeah, air purifier can be a very good add-on. People should start choosing more healthy material to help like for productivity and well-being. A lot of materials are toxic for our everyday life and we don't realize it, but sometimes it could be paint that has like toxic components.
Lighting plays a very important role in providing comfort in the spaces we occupy, and in result productivity. Whether it's natural light or artificial light, we need to really know where to place the lighting, what kind of temperature. Sometimes this 4000 K that a lot of offices prefer is too white, but also you don't want to go too warm and you start getting relaxed and sleepy. Maybe some areas are a bit more dimmed where you have soft seating. Other areas like meeting rooms are more bright, so you can collaborate and look at documents and have proper sufficient amount of lighting.
Anytime when we are designing a space, we would have a lighting control specialist to come in, because there's always a certain limit to the amount of artificial lighting that we should be putting in a space, where the sun rises, where the sunset is, where your office is located. So there's multiple things where you have to look into before you decide on the lighting. We learned a lot in terms of different diverse perspectives. It was a nice eye-opener for a lot of topics that we spoke about.